ako na lang. The questions for Reggie Bono, and this is for Joshua and Julia. Nakakatuwa na balik na ang Josh Dia. Please take us back kung paano ito in-offer sa inyo at nag-guess ka ba agad and why? At ano ang nami-miss nyo sa isa't isa? How was this offered? Pre-pandemic pa ba to? At may tawanan ng creatives, mukhang may inside story tayo ah.
During the pandemic, parang we were receiving na meeting, calls and then setting meetings about it. Tapos, originally, iba yung kwento niya and then years later, pa-evolve na yung material. And I think it really boils down to the right time and the right script. So, it's a feeling naman when you know na it's time and when the script is right for the two of us. So, I was on board, of course, right away.
No, talaga? Good to hear that. Ito si Joshua kasi, nung in-offer sa'yo ito, ang dami mong ginagawa. Left and right yung teleseries
Yeah,
mo.
actually, after Paubayan, nagka-offer na kami. Tapos
The controversial Paubayan music video.
With Black Sheep pa to, nung una. Kaya lang hindi natuloy kasi parang hindi pa yung tamang panahon para gawin yun. And then after 5 years, doon na nangyari. Pag-pitch sa amin, parang ang dami ng ideas bigla, bakit hindi ganito, ganyan, ganyan. So parang saya din nung moment na yun. That's why, nung unang pitch nila sa akin, sabi ko, game ako, gawin natin to, masaya to. Diba?
Na-miss niyo isa't isa? Ay, wala akong pinupush ha. Sinatanong ko lang kung na-miss sila isa't isa.
Of course. Na-miss ko yung may ka-eksena na
Napakahusay mo.
naiintindihan yung nararamdaman ko, alam mo yan.
Oh my God!
Iba rin yung ganun yan. And lumalabas siya sa scene talaga. Diba?
Yes, oo.
Yeah. And namiss ko yung mga tawanan namin. Diba? Hindi lang kami, I mean, lahat tayo, di ba, sa set.
Oo, masaya kami lahat sa
Yeah.
set. Sobra. Yung mga kasama natin sabi nila, oh, yeah.
It's the music, no?
Galing naman kasi ng ating scorer today, spinner, pa-music. Hindi ko mabasa, sorry. You have to come here. Okay, so before I give the microphone for the set of questions, tanungin ko na yung ating napakahusay na cast. How did you become part of this project? Let's start with Bianca. May ano ba to? May pa-audition ba sa Direk Peterson? May ganyan ba? Or what? And baka lang hindi namin napanood kayo sa trailer, please make us kwento about your role, B.
Well, yung role ko here, it's very short, but I can say na it was very memorable shooting with them and it was such an honor, shooting with all of them. Kahit ilang araw lang yun, I flew in sa Bicol and...
You were part of the Bicol group.
Opo. And then, parang they really made me feel like I was at home lang. Parang hindi na kailangan ng warm-up. And then, it's such a dream come true also working with Josh Lia. Kasi actually, hindi naman, nung high school kasi ako, hindi ako makakonsentrate sa math exam ko nun. Kasi iniiyakan ko yung Paubayan music video nila. Tapos ngayon, parang nakaka-work ko sila sa such a dream come true. So, ayun.
Ito, lagi bumabalik sa Paubaya, ano?
Yes.
Like, I was talking to Alan Diones and Ana Pingol kanina. May sinabi silang word, pero huwag na sa akin manggaling. Pero, talagang this made a statement kasi sa Josh Lia ng time na yun, di ba? Wala na kayo noon, pero nag-together kayo just for the music video. Hanggang doon lang gusto kong sabihin. Charot. Aljon! Ikaw medyo busy ka lately, ha? Hi na, kamusta? Paano ka naging part ng project?
So, medyo ilang months din po na nagpahinga ako from acting.
Talaga, pero lagi
yes
kitang
po.
nakikita.
Talaga po.
Everywhere. Hindi, minsan.
Baka sa IG nakita, sir.
Sa IG.
Oo nga.
Baka ni-stalk nyo.
Mga shirtless men.
Lama na. Joke lang.
Siya yung hinot scene.
Huwag mo simulan Joshua ha, huwag mo simulan Joshua. Kasi
Joke lang.
Sa Dreamscape siya nagsimula, sa
Yes
Dugo.
po, sa Sandugo, pre-pandemic.
True.
Pero, first movie ko po ito. So, I'm very grateful na...
First lang baon na naman, gulat-gulatan na naman ako sa mga talaga. First ba?
Yes po, very grateful talaga. Hindi ako nag-expect na papasali ako sa movie, tapos...
Pero si Direk yata may regrets. Chare!
No regrets at
Just
all.
kidding.
Opo. Pero nung sinabi po nila sa akin, sobrang excited lang po talaga ako. As in, no expectations at all. Sabi ko, gagawin ko lang talaga to kasi excited ako mag-acting ulit.
Of course. And of course, ay, gulat-gulatan. Ay, Bong!
Yes.
Mukhang special ang role mo.
We'll see.
Wow!
Heavy! Hindi, nakuha ko po tong role na to. Ay, ang role ko po pala si Lay. My name is Lay. And ako po,
Character mo yan.
yes, ako po
Aha.
ang nag-iisang kapatid. Julia Barreto.
Seryoso?
O, di ba? Nagulat din. Kasi nung sinabi ni
Grabe ka naman! Ang ganda-ganda nito ni
Gulat-gulatan
Bong.
lang ako.
Ako din nagulat, sinabihan ako ni Direk Page at ni Sir Miko about this role. Sinabihan nila ako na kailangan ng Keki Sir sa movie na to. Tapos kapatid pa ni Julia, so nagpaganda talaga ako. Ayun talaga yung pressure ko.
Actually, achieve naman tonight.
Paano ako papantay sa ganda ni Ate Julia? Kasi-
Barreto yan.
Yes,
di ba?
Barreto. Kaya ang tawag nila sa akin, Bong Barreto.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Yayamanin, di ba?
Oo. Kaya abangan na lang po natin ano magiging eksena ng Keki Sir.
I'm happy for you. You get the, part ka ng magagandang projects, Bong.
Julia.
Kasi dati pa TikTok ka lang. Okay, thank you. Ayun. Kyla, do you ever rest? I mean, kasi left and right ang shows mo, tapos may movie, tapos may isa ka pa.
Pero ako, grateful lang din ako na kasama ko sa movie nito. When they told me about it, I was also very excited to be part of it. Kahit di ko pa alam kung anong yung role. Sabi ko, yes,
Oo,
let's go. Talaga, game na ako. And of course, I've been wanting to work with Direk Peterson as well.
First time?
Yeah, first time. And of course, si Josh nakatrabaho ko na napakahusay. Sa Viral Scandal po. Teleserye.
Oo,
Yes.
maganda
And si
yun.
Julia, it was so nice to work with her. Parang immediately nag-click kami. So, ang ganda lang ng experience. Especially lahat
Pero kasi
ng...
maganda at matalino.
Kami magkakasama lahat sa Bicol,
Ayun.
lahat kami, sobrang naging organic yung connection
Ang gulo.
namin. Kaya parang ang sarap mag-work.
I'm sure happy rin naman yung dalawa katrabaho.
Yung set and of course yung bonding namin lahat. Ang role ko po dito, ang pangalan ko dito si Aya. Ako yung business partner at best friend ni Juancho, yung character ni Joshua.
Alright. Hindi ko na kasi sila naman nakitang-kita na yung role ni Joshua at ni Julia. This point, ibibigay ko na talaga ang microphone sa unang magtatanong sino to, Justin?
Ayan, magandang gabi po mga kapamilya.
Oh.
Ako po si Justin Ares ng ABS-CBN PR. Ayan, ang una pong magtatanong, by the way, we receive as 19 sets of questions. So kung di po aabot dahil sa time limit natin this evening, paumanin po. Pero hopefully makapture ng discussion yung soundbites na hinahanap nyo. For our first set of questions, kasama po natin si Tito Danny Vivas.
Of course.
Daily Tribune.
Tito Dan, request ang tayo. You don't have to come here. Tayo na lang kasi naka-live streaming tayo. Ayan.
Okay.
Nakadilaw si Tito Danny. Oh, dilaw.
It's almost surely, or it's it cannot be doubted that this will be a hit movie, and one hit movie surely deserves another. Are you prepared to make more movies, even if it might affect your personal relationships and your personal lives?
The question is for, Tito Danny?
Sorry, I forgot. For Josh and for Julia.
Baka for
I
me.
can answer.
Alam mo, total nagkaagawan tayo sa magot. Hindi nakasagot ng role niya si Miss May.
Yes.
Kasi si Bong nangangaksena eh.
Yes.
I heard, ang galing-galing mo raw, you're from PETA, and then, what's your role here?
The name of my role in this film is Ate Lala. Parang ako yung nag-iisang rose amongst the thorns sa Casa Rosa, which is the restaurant
An
owned
all-boy group.
Juancho. Tapos, I'm very grateful to Peterson kasi karamihan ng mga pelikula niya, sinasali niya ako.
Wow, ang lakas mo sa
Favorite.
director.
Oo. Meron
So hindi mo to
akong-
first, nagawa
Yes.
first ka nang nauna. First nga nauna, natural, di ba?
So, I was too cool to be forgotten. Nakakasama ko na si Thank you, P.
Thank you, Miss Mayan. Okay, we are now ready sa nag-aagawang sumagot. Sino who's gonna answer the question from Tito Danny Vivas?
Sorry, Tito Dan. Para kanino po ulit yung question? Sorry.
Yeah, for sure, this will be a hit movie, and one hit movie cannot just be one hit movie. For sure, there will be next offers to do more movies, more intimate movies between the two of you. But are you prepared to do more movies, even if it might affect your personal relationships or personal lives?
Interesting question. Are you open to answering the question? Definitely, di ba, Julia?
Yeah, you know what, Tito? I feel like there's no might because I believe both Josh and I are both in a very secure place in our lives na kahit gumawa pa kami ng 10
Correct.
pelikula, hindi naman yun yung intention naman nun ay hindi para makasira ng isang magandang bagay. So, yun lang. Siguro we're in a very secure position in our lives, and it's not, I guess, fair to put it that way to the people that will be, affected with the way that you ask the question. But we'll be fine. I think we're okay. Tignan mo, ang saya namin natapos yung Unhappy for You. Lahat ng nasa paligid namin masaya para sa amin. Minamahal pa rin kami. So I think it says a lot about where we both are in our lives.
Nice. In other words, it's a yes. Joshua, that's
Yes po. Di na lang din po yung sagot ko. Kasi actually, kami po na Jude, parang iba na yung approach namin sa work this time. Mas professional. We know our boundaries na rin, alam mo yan. So, wala naman daw siguro ganun mangyayari, di ba? And, nagsushoot pa lang ho kami nito, nag-uusap na kami na sana makagawa tayo, pero sana comedy naman. Kasi,
Nakakatawa naman.
bigang-biga kami dito. Masaya na ba kayo?
Happy!
kaya pala hindi kaya siya sa pain. Yung balat tunod, doon naman talaga sa direct pictures and yung pain.
Meron na kami peg na
Sana comedy dito.
comedy. Yun na lang yung dinidream namin habang nag-excite na kami ng mabibigat. One day, Josh, mag-comedy tayo. Yung comedy lang.
Okay. Tito Dan, you're good?
It's nice for you to do a comedy next. After Unhappy for You, it should be very happy for you.
Thank you po,
Tito.
thank you po.
Very happy for you. Very happy for you. May
Ayan,
meron
Sir
pa,
G,
Justin.
yung next question natin, babasahin mo from G. Trillian.
Actually, ang ganda